I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. A couple of months ago, I did American Goulash, and it was one of my biggest hits in this year, actually. Well, I'm going to do the same thing today, so we're doing it in the Instant Pot. So, what I've got here is I've got around 2 pounds of ground chuck, and I've got my Instant Pot on saute. Oops, don't think we need the plastic in it. But who knows, it might add a little bit of flavor. And all I'm going to want to do here is brown this. And I've also got some pepper and onion blend. I'm lazy. But what I want to do is I want to add a rough chop on it, not major. Ooh, that's still frozen pretty much. But I'm not going to make y'all sit here and watch all this. But I hope everybody's doing good. Getting ready for Christmas. We're actually going to be doing the Christmas lights and stuff tonight. We didn't do them last night. After we ate, I was done. But that Carolina smothered chicken with creamy mustard sauce, oh my God, yes, I highly recommend that. That was absolutely delicious. I got into it last night and had to have some more. A little bit more. So, like I said, I'm just going to break this up and brown it and drain it if it needs it. I'm sure it will. But it is ground chuck. And then we'll bring you back for the next part. Be back shortly. Hey, just want to break in here. I am going to add some salt and pepper. The amount is all up to you, but that's all I want to tell you, with add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, I browned this up and I didn't have to drain it. It was chuck, so chuck with the same price as regular. I'm going to add some minced garlic. I'm going to stir this around just for a minute. Now I'm going to turn it off the saute. This time I'm going to add a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And this one actually has roasted garlic and onion in it. Two cups of elbows. Right? Yeah. 2 cups of uncooked elbow macaroni. And then 4 cups of tomato juice or vegetable juice. I use the Great Value brand of V8. And you need 4 cups of this. You know what? I want to shake this up.
At least you put a lid on it, not like the mustard.
Yeah, the mustard last night was hilarious. Now stir this all up. You don't have to use 2 pounds of ground beef, but we like ours meaty. Okay, that's everything. Yep. Make sure your seal's done, and you want to do it for 6 minutes. I got it set for 6 minutes, and when it's done, I'm going to do a quick release on it. And I have one more thing to do to it before we eat. Alright, be back in about 20 minutes, because you know it's got to build up. Alright, bye. Alright guys, I did a quick release on this. It is done. It looks good. Now your last step before you serve it up is you're supposed to put a 1/4 cup of parm.
Why don't you sprinkle that in when you put it on the bowl?
Because you can do that later. Don't mess up. Boy, I tell you what.
Man. Okay.
You can add more. Anyway, you're supposed to stir in a 1/4 cup of Parmesan, but I've got this Italian mixture. It's 5 cheese. It's got mozzarella, provolone, parm, Asiago, and Romano. But, you know, as far as the 1/4 cup goes, it's also going to take some of the juice out of it whenever you add the cheese to it.
Don't look at me in that tone of voice.
He is such an ass. So I'm doing 2 handfuls. Can you see this? No, you ain't.
Yes, you can see it.
Inside?
You want to see inside?
Well, I'm sure they want to see what it looks like.
But the steam comes up and it gets all over the lens and they can't see nothing.
Oh my God, call me a wine ambulance.
Did you hear the juices getting sucked up? Or just the cheese melting?
I'm gonna hurt this man. Anyway, let's serve this up. He don't get none.
Whoa! Okay, we're back.
Bet he can fix his own damn plate. He's on my list now. And I'm making a list and checking it thrice. Seriously. I guess I'll fix his dumbass son. Pardon my French.
I don't want that one. No. No, it's too much. God.
Shut up. And to please my man.
Yay, sprinkles.
Alright. Y'all, our American goulash in the Instant Pot is done. I want to thank y'all for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscription button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys. Love y'all. Supper's ready. Merry Christmas. Bye.